Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to discuss about SQL query, especially how we can filter out data and find out very specific information from tables. So in last video what we discuss is basically about select query. So let's recap that part and then we'll focus on selecting very specific data from table. So here I will right click, go to the script and then select query. Now here I will use star and let's run this query. Here we can see we are getting all the data, and then we discuss about how to select one particular column using column name here. One thing though I didn't discuss in previous video is, let's say I'm selecting here department name, but I don't want this column name as department name. Instead of that I want it as full department. It's not short form. So for that what we have to do here is alias we have to use. Here I can say department as department name like this. We'll run this. Now you can see this column name changed here. Now let's discuss about getting very specific data from table. So till now we are selecting everything and how to select particular column, those things we saw. But what about particular row? Not about column, particular row I wanted to select. Example, I just wanted to get all the record where department name is AI. Only AI department I wanted to see. So for that we have to use one more keyword here. Let me keep everything in one particular line. So here one more keyword is where. So where department name equal to AI. So this should return only those department where department name is AI. You can see the output here. There are 3 such department. Now let's say I want to see all the department where it is not AI, just opposite. For that we have to use not sign. So where department name is not AI. Let's run this and you can see these are all those department where it's not AI, it's something else, reporting, data engineering, HR, audit, something. Now if we want to see where department ID is greater than 3, so for that let's see department ID greater than 3. Let's run this and see these are only those department where department ID is more than 3. Greater than equal to 3, so including 3. Now if I would say less than 3, so only 2 department. Now less than equal to 3 department. Now let's see, along with this department ID there are 3 such record where department ID is less than equal to 3. But I have one more condition, that now out of these data where department name is AI, so that should return only this record. So to put one more condition we have to use and department name equal to AI. Let's run this and you can see we are getting only one record which satisfy both the condition where department ID is less than equal to 3 and department name is AI. Now if I'll say I wanted to select all the record where department ID is less than 3 or department name is AI, either of these condition it should satisfy. In that case we have to use OR condition, like this or that, anything satisfying I want those record. So here whether department is 3 or department ID is less than 3, those things like here So first three are because of department ID less than equal to 3, and fourth and fifth, these are because department name is AI. Now, or one more condition we can give, like department name is AI and department description is LLM models. So for that, let's use this one. Department name is AI. So if I run this, I will get all the department where name is AI, and then description I wanted to see where it's LLM models. So for that, I will give one more condition here, and department description equal to LLM models, and I will keep it in capital. So I'm not getting any result. See, it's nothing. The reason is, see, whenever we are giving any AND condition, these are case sensitive. So the model in description was a small m. So I'll rerun this. You can see we are getting 2 record. So this point I just wanted to showcase. So these are case sensitive. You have a small letter, so I have to use a small, otherwise I will not get this data. Now sometimes we have the requirement where it is kind of that we don't specifically know like which particular record. Some part of it we remember. Example, it start with AI, something like that. There are a lot of department where it start with AI, like this one also. So in that case, we have one keyword like is the keyword. So where department name like, so it should start with AI. So AI and any number of character, 0 or more character. So for that we have percentage sign. So let's run. And here you can see these are the department which start with AI. And let's say one more concept where I will say like whichever end with ML. I don't care like it start with AI or whatever, but it should end with ML. So in that case, this is the wildcard I'm giving here, and at last I will write ML. So run this, and there are 2 such department where it is AI ML or ETL ML. Now sometimes we say like, I know like I just wanted to see those record where first 2 letter I don't remember, rest everything I know. Like AI, this part I don't know, but I know like last 3 character what it is. So in that case, instead of giving percentage which is like 0 or more than 1 character, I'm very specific, 2 character only it should have. Like in case of ETL, there are 3 characters, then ML. So I wanted to see those where it's only 2 character. So for that, it's underscore, then hyphen. If I run this, see I'm getting only this one where it is AI ML, because there are 2 characters. ETL had 3 characters, so it's excluded from result. Now similar to this one, if you give not like, just add a not keyword. If you run it, then you will get everything except AI ML. So not keyword will work. Now see one record I wanted to show here, or this one. This one you see, last one, 9th, where it is saying audit, and in the description it is null. It's not double quotes, it's null. Null means there is nothing. So I want to see like all those department where description is null, there is nothing in the department. All this record has some value, but this one has like null, means there is nothing. So I can say department description is null. So is null is the keyword. So I'm getting this one, this result. Now same, all those where it is not null. So just add not. And run this one. You will get all the record where it's not null. There is some value in the department description. Now one case is, let's say I wanted to see all the record where department ID is from 2 to 4. 2 to 4 I want to see. So in that case I will say department ID greater than equal to 2 and department ID less than equal to 4. So I will get only these 3 record, 2, 3, 4. But this is, rather than writing this query like this, we have a better option. So we can say department ID between 2 and 4. So run this query. We are still getting the same result. Now 2 and 4, when we are saying in this context, like between 2 and 4, so these are included. 2 is included, 4 is included, and whatever fall in between these two numbers. Now one more is, let's say we have department, all these. Now I want to select only those department where it is LLM model or AI and ML, or maybe department name I will say like data engineer and AI. These two department I want to select all the record. So for that we have sometimes it's a two department, 3 department, we don't know. So in that case better approach is where department name in, and then I can give all the value whatever I want. So AI, then I have data engineer. So run this one, and you can see we are getting only those department where it is either AI or data engineer. And just opposite, if you give not in, if you run this, then we'll get those department where it is not AI or data engineer. Now so far we discussed about AND condition or condition, but what if we'll use both of these, AND and OR, both will use. Example, a department name equal to AI. So we have these many records. Or department name equal to data engineer. So how many record we have? This many record. And then we'll give one more AND condition here. And this I have to make capital. Or and I will say where department description equal to ETL pipeline. So run this query. So I'm getting how many record? 4 of this record I'm getting here. Now maybe I just wanted to select where it's AI, like department is AI or data engineer, and out of those I want to select only one where it is ETL pipeline. So in this case what is happening is, when I'm using AND and OR, both of these, precedence is going to AND condition, So first it will perform AND condition like this one, and it will say department is data engineer and description is ETL pipeline. So this record got selected. Then it will apply this condition where department name is AI. So using that, first one, third one and fourth one is getting selected. So better like you give a parenthesis here. If my requirement is that I want to select all the department where it is AI or data engineer, and then you apply filter that department description is ETL pipeline. So here you have to give this like parenthesis so that this operation will be performed along with this, it will perform this AND condition. So let's run this query, and now we are getting only one record. So first it's selected. Let's remove this part so that you can understand. See how many we are getting? There are 4 such things. Now along with this, I have one more AND condition here, which is saying where department description is ETL pipeline. So ETL pipeline, out of these 4, only one has department description as ETL pipeline. So final output which is combination of this one and this one should give me only one record, that is this highlighted one. So if I run this here, I'm getting this one. So better like you don't go with the default, even if your intention is like you want to apply department like this. So be very explicit here, give parenthesis so that for other developer it will be very explicit that yes, you want to select all the department, and or you have department name and description with another condition. So in this case we'll get 4 record. So giving parenthesis, it's better.